Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use your Chime Virtual Card in a physical store. First, you need a Chime account and the Chime mobile app installed on your phone. You also need a smartphone that supports contactless payments. Open the Chime app and sign in. Tap on the card section. You will see your virtual card details. From here, you need to add your virtual card to a digital wallet. On an iPhone, choose Apple Pay. On Android, choose Google Pay. Follow the on-screen steps to add the card. You may need to verify your identity with a text message or email code. Once the card is added, you are ready to use it in store. When you are at a store, make sure the store accepts contactless payments. At the checkout, unlock your phone. Hold the phone close to the payment terminal. Do not open the Chime app. Your digital wallet will handle the payment. Confirm the payment using Face ID, fingerprint, or your phone passcode. Wait until you see the payment approved message on the screen. Thanks for watching.